Hi, welcome to the NHTI Y series. I'm Dennis Tappin. I'm one of the faculty members here at NHTI, and I'm going to talk to you today about the manufacturing, engineering, technology programs we have here at NHTI. We strive to balance theory with hands-on experience to give the knowledge and skills required by current industry in our manufacturing, engineering, technology program. We focus on quality control and continuous improvement and offer 2 stackable certificate degrees that roll into 2 different pathways of our associate's degree in manufacturing, engineering, technology. Our first major pathway is our machine tool pathway, where students will get hands-on experience and theory regarding machine tools, CAD, CAM technology, CNC operation, and manufacturing process design. We also have a pathway in automation, and that automation pathway is focused on robotics, fluid power systems, machine tool integration, and machine vision, using state-of-the-art facilities and the latest current market leaders in design software. Students who have a manufacturing, engineering, technology degree from NHTI are going to be well equipped to enter in the workforce and work in all sorts of industry in the Northeast, especially our high-tech industries up here of medical devices, defense, and aerospace. It's an exciting time to be in the engineering and technology field, and if you want more information, visit nhti.edu. Thank you.